Hello everyone, my name is Raj and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to review Royal Enfield Himalayan BS6 motorcycle and I have got a perfect location to review this. And first of all I would like to thank Mr. Srinivas sir to giving this bike for review purpose. This is the overall look of Himalayan BS6. So we will begin our review from what all changes has been made from BS4 to BS6. First thing, in BS6 get switchable ABS. So we can deactivate the rear wheel ABS with the help of switch. It helps to the rider drift the rear wheel in off-road condition. In additional, Himalayan BS6 got hazard switch as well as improved in side stand to hold in off-road surface well. You can see the catalytic converter. It is mostly used to convert the carbon monoxide to the carbon dioxide by inducing oxygen. Power in BS6 is bit less, 24.1 PS, and in BS4 is 24.5 PS, and they increased weight in BS6. In BS4 motorcycle weight is 194 kg, but in BS6 weight is 199 kg. Now we will talk what all colors are available in Himalayan. Total 6 colors are available like granite black, snow white, sleet grey, rock red, lake blue and gravel grey. Regarding BS6 engine, it comes with 411cc single cylinder fuel injected SOHC engine with 5 gearbox and torque 32 Newton meter, and mileage we get in city ride is 32.04 km per liter and in highway 39.96 km per liter. Fuel tank is 15 liters, that's great one. Now we will see the instrumental cluster. Turn on and you can see the tachometer, speedometer, lot of informations will get on digital display like time, gear positions, trip meter, side stand indicator as well ambient temperature. Compared to BS4, in BS6 will get a wide display for better visible in day as well as night time. You can see the big visor and there is no LED in this motorcycle. Everything is halogen in indicator as well as headlight. You can see the front tire 90 by 90 21 inch spoke wheel and a rear type tire is 120 by 90 17 inch. You will get tube type tire, and this type of tires are completely meant for off-roading purpose. And seat height of the motorcycle is 800 mm and seat is more comfortable and softer side like sitting on a foam, and ground clearance is 220 mm. And no further modification is required. We can easily install pannier on both sides as well as jerry can. They are very useful for long riding purpose. You can see the Royal Enfield logo on engine and Himalayan Royal Enfield written over here. This motorcycle is completely comfortable for long touring purpose. Let's turn on the engine and there is an actually idle start and very smooth. Let's go and ride. Picking up with first gear is very smooth. Ride quality on bad road is just phenomenal. This is the proper motorcycle for off-road and tires are meant for the off-road situations. And it reached 100 km per hour in 10 seconds. Braking performance is also nice, and one stretch we can easily cover 80 to 90 km without any issues. It pulls strong and nice, and the ride quality is brilliant, and we can easily shift the gear. And also we can easily stand while riding. I think this motorcycle price is around 2.6 lakh depend upon color scheme. What a beauty suspension is given in this motorcycle. I really impressed, and sound is good. Compared to classic motorcycle, it is very good indeed. I am giving big thumbs up to this bike. If you are planning to buy this motorcycle, especially Visakhapatnam peoples, I suggest to buy Sitaram Motors Gurudwara store only, and updated gears are also available in their store. In the description box I have mentioned their address also. This is my honest review, and thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe. See you all in next content. So till then, take care, bye bye, boom.